If you've been struggling to set up Google Translate on WhatsApp on an Android, stick around because I'm going to share the setting that was causing me the problems. To illustrate in WhatsApp, I asked Meta AI to generate a message in French. But when I held down the message to copy it, Google Translate didn't appear. I had already enabled Tap to Translate in Google Translate settings, but when I tried to set the Show Floating Icon option, it prompted me to manage permissions, and in that list, WhatsApp wasn't listed. But after some troubleshooting, I discovered that I needed to go to the Android settings and then the apps, find the Translate app under Google Translate. Then I scrolled down to the Appear on Top setting and ensured that it was allowed. Now returning to Google Translate, tap to Translate option, I was able to set the Show Floating Icon. Now back in WhatsApp, I held down a message to copy it, and this time Google Translate popped up. I clicked Paste to paste the message in, and the translation appeared. After I'm done reading it, I pressed the Clear button, and it was back into WhatsApp. If you found this short video helpful, consider giving it a like, and we'll see you next time.